We had been seeing ads for this lightweight battery-powered fan with the misters in it and thought that would be great for our desert climate. The price was a bit steep, but the reviews were great, so we went ahead and pulled the trigger on one. This fan definitely made working outside a lot more tolerable and probably a little safer too. It's really light and easy to move around to wherever you're working. If you're not using the water hookup, you can really just put it anywhere since it's battery powered. I can imagine taking it camping or maybe to a music festival or for a picnic. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I can see where in a humid climate the misting wouldn't really make any difference whatsoever, but here in the desert it really does bring the temperature down.